Hey traders, what's up? Make sure you click that QR code below to join us here at Day Trade the World. Start your prop journey today. Look, Fahad just reminded me as I was coming up here to throw salt in the wounds a little bit that we had Tesla, the #1 stock on our sticky note, on our watch list today, and the level was 250. It's right on here. Get out of here. The problem was we did have execution issues, so all I can really talk about is that level 250. Why do we like Tesla 250? Okay, a couple reasons. First of all, you see what Tesla's doing now down there. I saw you sneak those Timbits, Neil. Down 9% Tesla right now, right? So the thing about that is, I don't stop. It doesn't matter, trade of the day or whatever. But look, 9%, the thing about that is, quite frankly, you have to have a catalyst, right? They came out with deliveries over the weekend, 343 versus 359, so they miss on the deliveries. They still crush it from last year over year, 241 versus 340, so it's a big number, but it's a miss on expectations. And when that happens, all you really got to do is try to find some levels, right? We did get some bump up here in the morning due to the NASDAQ, and I just wanted to show you here, the NASDAQ's up 2.15%. So for all of you that say, you know what, you never want to go short on names against the market, well, that's why the #1 thing that you want to look for is, quite frankly put, a catalyst. And we had that with Tesla. So there's the market up huge. And here's Tesla starting to go up with the market, right? It's fine. But we still identified that 250 level. It's the bottom of the day there in the pre-market. And even when Brendan mentioned that we talked about this idea in the pre-market, yeah, even as this was up to 256, I was like, look, I wanted to short it. If it stays up here, we want to go against yesterday's high. So it would be Friday's high of 260, not the high, but where we closed at 264. Didn't think we'd get up there. Looks like we're right. When it came back down, look at the flush. It doesn't even look at 250. Unfortunately, there would be normally a little short there all the way to the downside. Why do we highlight that? It goes all the way almost straight, not straight in a line, but close enough. This is only a 1-minute chart. It goes down $7, $8 on that move all the way right down there to wick that bottom. And then I just want to show you too. Look, we drew a line right here. That's 241. Right? That's about 30 or 40 cents higher or lower than that wick bottom. So you could go long Tesla now against this 241. You have that bottom and you have a couple more bottoms right now to give you that look. But just look over here. This was the daily chart on Tesla, split adjusted. So that's the 250 mark right in here. This whole gap was like that between 680 to 750 before we split, right? So as you pull back down now, you're back into this range again. So Tesla looked good on the daily chart, breaking through 250. It's a psychological level as well, so don't forget about that. And then not only was it a psychological level, it was the bottom to the penny in the pre-market. So when that breaks, you give yourself a little bit of room to be wrong. You could give yourself up to like 252, 253. But before you can even hit a key, you were $4, $5, $6 in the money. So Tesla on the way down with deliveries. It's your trade of the day.